Hey guys, it's Lindsay from the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I want to show you how easy it is to install my new Smart Standard sliding barn door kit.
I just ordered the Smart Standard. It is a sliding barn door with the barn door kit and the barn door hardware. And guys, this kit is a steal. I looked at creating my own, like building it from scratch, but honestly, this is probably cheaper or very similar in price to if I could build it myself and then just buy cheap barn door hardware. So that's why I chose to buy this kit, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together. This is the base barn door and it all fits together. It comes with the hardware, and then it has these slats, and those are the slats that come and make this piece right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to manually fit all of this together. It's all tongue and groove boards, so you can see here it's all going to slide together. So I'm going to manually put all of this board together, and then it comes with hardware that I'm going to use to secure it. Now that I've slid all of it together, now it has come with these screws. And the cool thing is it actually came with a drill bit too. I'm going to use a drill. I'm going to put those screws in, and it also comes with some dowels. I'm going to put those in the ends when I'm done with it. I'm going to secure this thing together. Okay, so after I have secured the door together, you take these panels and you just slide them in just like that. And I'm going to screw them in with the hardware that they provide. And then I'm going to flip it over and do two more. So you can see that I chose to paint the door. It's like a light gray / beige color. I have done the front and the back, and I think it looks really good. So the last thing to do is to install the hardware to hang the door. Before you start to think about putting the hardware in the wall, you want to decide if you're going to use a header. And what I mean by a header is a board like this that will go on the wall that you will drill the hardware into. And we are using a header just because the chances of those pre-drilled holes going into studs, every one of these holes isn't going to go into a stud, so it's best to always use a header. I'm going to need to cut the header board down to the length of this. Okay, so installing the board underneath and the rail was very easy. We found the studs for the whiteboard. We put those in 4 studs, I believe, and then followed the instructions to put the rail up, and I'm about to put the barn door up. And these are stoppers. We put those on too. The door is hung and it fits like a glove. A few things I want to show you. I love how it comes with a handle. That's a huge perk. The other huge perk is it comes with like a slider at the bottom. So you can either attach this to the floor, or if you don't or you can't screw into your floor, it also comes with a piece that attaches to the wall. It also comes with this that can be attached to the wall. Say if you don't want to screw this into your flooring, you can also use this instead of this. Overall, it slides so easily. It feels really heavy duty. And we bought this barn door hardware kit mainly for function. Because our bed is so close to this door, we bought it more for functionality than looks. But honestly, I'm so pleased with how it looks, and if I need another one, I will definitely buy this kit again.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can also see all the details below or on my blog at repurposeandupcycle.com.